All right, how in the world do we write a summary and response essay? First things first, a summary, you're basically writing what the author said, and for a response, you're writing what you have to say. So, first part, let's just review how to write a summary. In a summary, you summarize what you read, usually in 5 to 7 sentences, in a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph. You'll have paraphrases in your summary because everything is in your own words. There should not be any quotes unless you're quoting a specific term or a statistic or something, which would be very brief. There should be no sentences that are quotes because that means you are not putting it in your own words. So summaries just have paraphrases. You will need an in-text citation for your paraphrases. So make sure somewhere in the summary that you have the proper in-text citations, and you will need a works cited page to avoid plagiarism. So that will take care of your summary, your one paragraph summary. Moving along to the response. First, you need to choose how you want to respond to whatever you have summarized. Will you be analyzing? In other words, will you be talking about what was good, what was bad about the article, or will you reflect? Will you put yourself into your response? Or will you argue a position? Will you agree with the article? Will you disagree with the article? Now, here is where you will need to use direct quotes. So make sure whenever you quote directly from your article, you are using quotes and in-text citations as well. Your response is usually 1 to 2 paragraphs. So you'll definitely have one paragraph for the summary, but as you go to the response, there'll be 1, 2, sometimes 3. Make sure you come up with an outline. For each paragraph, you should have an idea that you are responding to. So say you respond to 3 ideas, then you will need 3 paragraphs with quotes that are sandwiched. Again, don't forget your in-text citation and your works cited page. This must be included on your summary and response essay to avoid plagiarism. If you need an outline, here's an example. So on the first page, you'll have your paragraph summary. It's one paragraph. Then you can go along and put paragraph 2 that has a response, not a summary. Then when you get to the next paragraph, it will also be a response. Remember, there were 3 ways to respond. Will you be analyzing? Will you be reflecting? Or will you be arguing a position? Last but not least, you will have your works cited page. So that should take care of how to do your summary and response. So that's it.